Okay, you guys, so I have another light bar here. I want to do a quick unboxing and reviews to follow. As you all know, I did a review on the Lightway 12-inch. This was, it was almost 300 watts. I can't quite remember. I'd have to go look again. But I had this on the front of the bike, and I decided that I wanted to go with a bigger light. So this one here is going to mount right there, and I picked up another one, and this is a 22-inch. It's 324 watt, bigger bar. This is by Willpower, so I thought I'd do just a quick unboxing here with you guys. Of course, the wiring harness for this unit, this came with the wiring harness, and this one's different. It's got a 3M stick on and off button, and it's just a plug and play. It's got a fuse in there. It's pretty simple setup, just plug and play. So I'm going to set that in there, dirty in there. Here is the mounting brackets, the hardware. Oh, I gotta get into the, I got some tape on here. So let me get this all unpackaged, and I'll just show you the light bar itself. As you can see, let me zoom. So anyways, you can see. So let me get this packaging cut, and I'll take it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so there, we're mounted up. Let's have a look at it. Might have to adjust the angle of the light, but it's pretty bright. I put the other one on the back here. Have a look. Mounted up there. Run the wire down through, siliconed it. Didn't have any friggin' white silicone. It'll be dirty anyway. And I just gotta wire it up. And I got these ones down here pointed off to the side. So let's start the bike up. Now let's take and turn the front light on. Walk out. That's bright. That should light up a lot of trails. So this is the Willpower 325 watts LED bar light. Probably still need to adjust a little bit down. I'll do that on the trail. It's pretty simple, just a wrench in there. Adjust these little mounting brackets. I don't even think I told you guys anything about the mounting brackets. $25 on Amazon. Turn that light out so you can see. There's the mounting brackets. It's got little rubber bushings on the inside, so it doesn't vibrate around a lot either. Look, like I'm pushed on that quite hard. So there's no vibration at all in the light. So we'll do a video tonight on the light. See how much it bright lights up. This one here should do the job in the back. sides. I just have it sitting there, wire's not hooked up yet. I got a voltmeter here. I got to hook up back in that hole. I got to tape up all the ends and stuff. Other than that, should do the job. Lights are out.